Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lassane again, and I want to take you through the assignment for book blogging in this screencast. As you can see, the assignment's worth 100 points. You'll be turning the blogs in 3 different chunks. So the first time you turn it in, it'll be 33 points, then 33, then 34, just to give you an understanding of how the grade will be figured. So let's look at the directions. You'll create a blog site for this particular assignment. If you've already created one for a different course, you can use it, but make sure that you have kind of a separate place where you're going to be putting the assignments for SL 5385. In the blog, you're going to write about the 25 books you read for the course. And remember that that is a combination of required and where you have some choice as well. So when you do the blog post has several elements, and it includes a bibliographic citation using the correct APA format. If you are unfamiliar with APA, you can certainly find that out on Google very easily. The best site, I think, is the Purdue OWL website for showing you how to create an APA bibliographic citation. You're going to include the cover of the book, and the JPEG has to be at least 300 by 300 DPI. Otherwise, you're going to get pixelated kinds of covers when you put them into your blog. So just make sure that you've got that kind of DPI. If you're using Google Images, it will tell you what the DPI is, so you shouldn't have to guess. Then you'll give me a detailed summary of the book. Remember that this is the place where you prove to me that you have read the entire book. And so tell it to me. Don't go on for pages, but do give me all the important details. You will give me a commentary on the strengths of the book or connections to other books, book trailers, things like that. Don't just say, oh, here's a trailer, or here's another book by the author. Try for some variety here. I will certainly make comments and take points off if everything is exactly the same. You should also give the requirement that the book meets. Is this one where you had a choice, or is this one where it was assigned by the professor, which is me? I've given you a link to a couple of sample blog posts that I've made, and you can find them right here. So you can kind of take a look at what I've done and go from there. Remember that I've been doing this for a long time, so my blogs are certainly going to be different looking than yours. And finally, a note, and this is after grading, especially this summer. Please place all books you blog in one location on the site. So create an umbrella site called Book Blogging, and under there make sure that all 25 books go. The same thing is true for textbook reflections. In some cases, I had to look at a table of contents, or I had to click here, click here, click here. I want to see them when I pull it up. Also understand that if your URL does not work, or it tells me that I need permission, I will not give you credit for the assignment. So make sure that your URL is functional. Make sure if you're directing me to a Google page that I have permission to view that. Just make sure that I can see your work. If I don't, you can't get credit for it. I hope that that answers all your questions about blogging. If it doesn't, call me, email me. I'm here to answer your questions.